हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं टू ट्रेन्स आर ट्रेवलिंग इन द सेम डायरेक्शन एट 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर रिस्पेक्टिवली. द फास्टर ट्रेन क्रॉसेस अ मैन इन द स्लोअर ट्रेन इन 80 सेकेंड्स. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ फास्टर ट्रेन. T1 50 किलोमीटर था, T2 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है. 1 घंटे में 36 सेकेंड होते हैं. रिलेटिव स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी? 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है. तो डिस्टेंस कितना था ट्रेवल करेगा? 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर इंटू 18 पर 3600, मतलब कि ये तय करेगा 0.1 किलोमीटर, 6.1 किलोमीटर तय करेगा. ठीक है. अगला क्वेश्चन दिया, अ बोट रोज 60 किलोमीटर अप द स्ट्रीम एंड 30 किलोमीटर डाउन द स्ट्रीम टेकिंग 5 घंटे ईच टाइम. द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द करंट. ठीक है. 16 इक्वल टू भी 5 इंटू भी बी माइनस बी एस. 30 इक्वल टू बाई भी बी प्लस बी एस. भी बी माइनस बी एस इक्वल टू 3.2 और भी बी प्लस बी एस इक्वल टू 6. 2 bs इक्वल टू 2.8. bs इक्वल टू 1.4 मीटर किलोमीटर पर आवर. टू ट्रेन फॉर पटना लीव दिल्ली एट 6 am 6:45 am and travel at 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर and 136 किलोमीटर पर आवर respectively. How many kilometers from Delhi will the two trains fit? तो 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर is 6 am at 6:45 am. D is equal to 98 plus into 45 over 60, 78.5 kilometer. Now next train state relative 136 minus 98, 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. टाइम टू कैच 79.5 upon 38, मतलब कि 157.76 आवर. सेकेंड ट्रेन टेबल 196 इंटू 147/76, 263.05 किलोमीटर. विनोद मेक्स अ डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ RS 100,000 in the HDFC Bank for a period of 2 years. If the rate on interest be 12% per annum compounded yearly, what amount will he get after 2 years? तो एज इक्वल टू पी इंटू 1+r/100 टू द पावर n. पी 100,000 इतना, ये इतना सबको वैल्यू रखने पर हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा इतना. A sum was invested at simple interest for 2 years. It would have fetched 60 more had it been invested at 2% higher rate. What was the sum? अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू पी प्लस एस आई. पी प्लस एस आई कर लिया हमने. अमाउंट 2 इज इक्वल टू पी प्लस एस आई, इसको कर लिया हमने. ये 2 में 7 करने पर पी हमारा आ गया 1500 आंसर. 2 इक्वल सम्स वर बोरोड एट 8%. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फॉर एनम फॉर 2 years and 3 years respectively. The difference on the interest was RS upon the sum borrowed were. SI2 minus SI1 is equal to 56. यहाँ से करने के बाद P is equal to 700 आ गया. If the difference between the SI and CI on same principal amount 20% per annum for 3 years RS 48, then the principal amount must be. Simple interest is P into 20 into 3 upon 100 is equal to 0.6 CP. CI is equal to P into 1 plus 20 upon 100 to the power 3 minus P is equal to 0.728 P. 0.728 P minus 0.6 P is equal to 48. P is equal to 37.5. 37.5. Raju lent RS of 400 to Ajay for 2 years and RS 100 to Manoj for 4 years and received together from both RS 160 as interest. Find the rate of interest is SI being calculated. SI1 is equal to 400 into R into 2 upon 100 is equal to 8R. SI2 is equal to 100 into R into 4 upon 100 is equal to 4R. SI2 SI1 plus SI2 is equal to 12 is equal to 15 or is equal to 5%. A sum of money doubles itself in 5 years. In how many years will it become fold? 4 टाइम्स कितने और हो जाएगा? तो 2 करके इतना कर लिया हमने. 4p कितना कर लिया. ठीक है. यहाँ पर से दोनों का रेशियो पर हमारा t-5 इक्वल टू 2. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर t-5 इक्वल टू इतना 5, t-5 इक्वल 5, t इक्वल टू 10 आंसर हो गया है. Divide our 6,000 into 2 parts so that simple interest on the first part over 2 years at 6% per annum may be equal to the simple interest on the second part फॉर 9 years 8% पर एनम। SI1 इज SI2 कर दिया हमने यहाँ पर, यहाँ से P1 P2 निकला है, आंसर हो गया। If a certain sum of money becomes double its simple interest in 12 years, what would be the rate of interest per annum? 2P is equal to P plus PR into 12 upon 100, P is equal to P into R into 12 upon 100, यहाँ से R is equal to इतना आ गया 8 से 3%। At the rate of 6% per annum simple interest, a sum of Rs 2500 will earn how much interest by the end of 5 years? SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100, P into 2500 into 6 into 5 upon 100, 25 into 30 upon is equal to 750. A sum of money at simple interest amounts to Rs 1222 40 in 2 years and to Rs 2600 in 5 years. What is the principal amount? A1 जोड़ो 2240, P प्लस P इंटू R इंटू 2/100, 2240 इंटू 2600, P प्लस P इंटू R इंटू 5/100 2600। इक्वेशन 1 से इक्वेशन 1 2 करके अगर हमने तो P इक्वल टू आ गया 2000। In how many years will a sum of Rs 500 at 10% per annum compounded similarly become Rs 26.5? सेमी यूनिवर्सल क्या मतलब कि 2 3 हो जाएगा यहाँ पास, ठीक है। यहाँ से करने पर लॉक करने के बाद सीधे आंसर आ जाएगा T इक्वल टू 1.5 ईयर्स। A sum of money becomes Rs 1380 after 2 years and Rs 200% after 6 years is compounded interest. The sum is 330 equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 3, 270 is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 6। 3380 पर P is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 3, यहाँ से 2070 P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 3, 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 3, यहाँ करने के बाद 2007 is equal to P into इतना करने पर P is equal to इतना, यहाँ से 8920 आंसर हो जाएगा। A 12 men and 16 boys can do a piece of work in 5 days and 13 men and 24 boys can do it in 4 days. Compare the daily work done by a man with the next day that is done by a boy. 1 day work of man is equal to x, 1 day work of boy is equal to y, 12x plus 12y is equal to 1 by 5 into 3, 3x plus 24y is equal to 1/4 into 2। यहाँ से निकालने के बाद x रेशियो y आ गया 2:1। 15 men could finish a piece of work in 210 days, but at the end of 100 days 15 additional men are employed. In how many days more days will to work be complete? Work 15 into 210 इतना 150 man days, 100 days completion, 15 into 100 100 man days left 1050 worker 30 days 1650 upon 30 is 55 days। A cistern is normally filled in 5 hours. However, it takes 6 hours when it takes leak in its bottom. If the cistern is full, in what time shall the leak empty it? Inlet per hour work is equal to 1/5. Leak empties in x hour. 1 hour of leak is equal to 1/x. 1/5 minus 1/x equal to 1/6, 1/x is equal to 1/5, 1/6 is equal to 1/3, x is equal to 30h। Pipe and B running together can fill a cistern in 60 minutes, and if B takes 5 minutes more than A to fill the cistern, then the time is in which A and B will fill the cistern separately will be respectively 1 minute work together is equal to 1/6, 1/TA plus 1/2A plus 5 is equal to 1/6, TA plus 5 plus TA into 6, TA into 1 TA plus 15। यहाँ सब करने के बाद हमारा आंसर जो आएगा TA इक्वल टू 15 और TV इक्वल टू 15। If 3 types of open together task is filled in 10 hours. One of the task stops can fill in 5 hours, and to another in task it period what rate there is the task is 5 work. 1 hour work is equal to 1.5. 1 hour work is 1/10. 6 is equal to 1 upon x fill together 1/10. 1.5 plus 1/10 is equal to plus 1 upon x. 1 upon x is equal to minus 1/5. X is equal to minus 5 input t. I can do a piece of work in 10 days while P work can do it in 15 days. They work together for 5 days and the rest of the work is done by C in 2 days. If the he gets 45 for the whole work, how much should they divide the money? 1 day work 1/10, 5 day work 5/10, 1 day work 1/15, 5 day work 5/15, 1/3 C वर्क minus 1/5 5/10 plus minus 5/10. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से होगा टोटल ए माइनस बी 5/30 जो 1.6 1.2 1.3 1.6 रेशियो हो गया सेम रेशियो मनी. ठीक है, पी इक्वल टू 3/3 प्लस 2 प्लस 1 सेकेंड मेथड है, यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक, 2 pipes can fill a tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively, while third pipe inputted the full tank in 20 hours. If all the 3 pipes operate simultaneously, in how many makes time the tank will be filled? 1 hour work 1 upon is the 8/60 time 60/8 7.5 hour. 2 pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 12 minutes and 16 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are opened together, then after how much time B should be closed so that the tank will full in 9 minutes? 1 minute work is equal to 12, 1 minute work is equal to 16, x minute is equal to A plus B, 9 minus x is equal to A, x is into 1 work, 9 minus x is into 1 by 20 12 equal to 1. सब यहाँ करने के बाद x is equal to 4. Walking at 3.4 of his normal speed, Ankur is 10 meter 16 meter minutes late in reaching his office. The usual time taken by him to cover the distance between his home and his office is normal speed is equal to v, time is equal to t, distance is d is equal to vt, d is equal to 3v upon 4 into t plus 16, vt is equal to 3v upon 4 upon is equal to t into t plus 16, 4t is equal to 30 plus 48, t is equal to 48. When the two trains is called calculate mail, Kolkata mail and Mumbai mail starts at same time from the stations. Kolkata Mumbai respectively takes towards each other. With after passing each other, they take 12 hours and 3 hours to reach better in calculate respectively. If the Kolkata mail for moving at the speed of 48 km per hour, the speed of the Bombay mail is x centimeter, d minus x 8 centimeter, x is equal to 48 into t, d minus x is equal to v into t, d minus x is equal to 48 into 12, x is equal to v into 3 hour, d minus x upon x is equal to 48 upon v into 4, d minus x upon x is equal to v upon 48, v upon 48 is equal to 48 into 4 upon v, b square is equal to 48 square into 2 square, b is equal to 48 into 2, 66 km per hour. What is the time taken by Rohan to cover a distance of 360 km by a motorcycle moving at a speed of 10 meter per second? D is equal to v into t, 360 is equal to 10 into 36 upon 100 upon 1000. यहाँ से t is equal to 10 hour. A car travels from A to B and in reverse v1 km per hour, travels back from B to A v2 km per hour, again goes back A to B while B2 average speed of the car. 3x upon t1 plus t2 plus t3. यहाँ 3x is equal to x1 v1 plus x1 v2 plus x1 v2. कार काटने पिटने by 3 1 v1 v2 upon 2 v2 plus v2 v1. Narayan Murthy walking at a speed of 20 km per hour reaches his college 10 minutes late. Next time he increased his speed by 5 km per hour, but finds that he is still late by 4 minutes. What to the distance of his call from his office house? Ideal time is equal to t minute, d is equal to 20 4 टी प्लस 10/16, 25/5, टी प्लस 4/60, 4/5, टी प्लस 30 टी प्लस 4, 5 टी प्लस 20 4 टी प्लस 40। यहाँ से टी 20 मिनट्स है। डी इज 20 × 20 + 10 = 60, डी इज 10। Two trains A and B start simultaneously in a position direction from the 2 points A and B and arrive at this destination 9 and 4 hours respectively. After their meeting each other, at what rate does the speed second train B travel if the first train travels at both 80 km/h? यहाँ x है, d - x b है, x = 18 × t, d - x = b 18 × t, b × t, x - 1 d - x = b 18/b, x = b × 4 and d - x = 18 × 9, यहाँ से dx = b × 4, d - x = 15/9, यहाँ से b 20 80/b = b × b/80, b square = 80 × 18 0 41 44 100 120। आज के लिए यहाँ तक। अगले लेक्चर में इससे आगे बढ़ेंगे। धन्यवाद।